Here's a mind-blowing revelation for you. Did you know that the letter J did not exist before 1611 in the King James Version of the Bible? Before then, the first letter of the name Jesus was an I or Y. But why did the English language change it to J? That's exactly what we're going to explain to you in this video. The English alphabet has a hidden esoteric symbolic meaning, and the letter J has a fascinating backstory. In ancient times, letters had a numerical equivalent, and the I and number 1 were interchangeable. I and the number 1 symbolized piercing oneness, and the J symbolized the beginning of the return to oneness. But the shocking revelation doesn't stop there. The name Jesus itself has a deeper meaning, as it's actually descended from the ancient Egyptian word Yehusa, which means the ever-coming sun. In ancient Egypt, Yehusa was a concept, not a person. I encourage you to get more of this knowledge so that you can end your doubts and fears. Then you can boldly live life on your terms, free from guilt or shame. In ancient Kemetic times, the concept of the J and returning back to oneness was universally applied to every soul on earth. That means you get to learn forever, not burn forever.